Hi, I am Chetan. I am currently working as Director of Products with one of the largest fintech company in India. I help my clients fight digital fraud with risk-based decisions. I started my career as an engineer, and during the time I enjoyed working with my clients, trying to understand their problems, trying to identify different solutions to their problems and help solve those problems. And that is when I realized that product management is the area where I could grow more, solving customer problems. And that is how my product management journey started. Provide me opportunity to learn as well as apply skills on the fly. That is, through capstone projects and all. So that is what made me choose IPL over others. Yeah, I think the one biggest advice I can give to the product managers or the aspiring product managers is try to put yourself in the customer's shoes. Try to understand his pain points. Try to understand what is not working for him, and then try to arrive at solutions which would help him overcome those challenges. That way you will be a better product manager and you will be able to grow in your career much faster.